Yo, what is going on Unorthodox gang? Back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing something I've kind of done before. We are gonna be making a Playboi Carti type beat, kind of something like something you would find on his Dial-It album. Now, with this album, I thought it was trash. I thought that album was horrible. His last album was way better. The one with Magnolia and Yamin and all that. Like, that one was way better. Dial-It was a very disappointing album for me. I'm sorry. Yes, I know a lot of you Playboi Carti fans will be like, yeah, screw you, blah blah. I know. Okay, I get it. It's just my opinion, alright? Don't get mad, alright? I just didn't like it at all. Like, all the songs sounded the same, and they just wasn't my cup of tea. Alright? Did I just say cup of tea? What the? Anyways, but yeah, we're gonna make a Playboi Carti type beat. Thought it'd be lit. Hopefully you guys enjoy. I know my FL Studio 20 video, that was pretty bad. I didn't know what the hell I was doing, and I apologize for that. It won't happen again, okay? No more crap content like that, okay? So you guys are gonna enjoy this one, so leave a like. Don't forget to share this with your friends. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe, join the family, Unorthodox gang. It's my new thing. I'm kind of copying Black Panther, but I mean, I don't really care. I like the movie, and I don't know. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications if you haven't done so already, because we got bangers coming every day, baby. Every day a new video. I'm telling you, it's about to be lit. Almost at 1K. We're at 700 something subs right now. It's lit. I'm live streaming all the time, okay? So you don't want to miss out. Turn on post notifications. And yeah, let's get into this beat. Finish it up, cook it up, mix it up. Alright, I'm gonna stop. Alright, let's just go on my computer. I'll see y'all there. Alright, y'all, we're back on my computer. You know the deal. We about to start this Playboi Carti type beat. As always, I'm gonna start off with the melody because that is the proper way to start off a beat. So let's just pop out Nexus, get a piano going. Then this time I'm just gonna start off with the piano. Then I'm gonna go through some sounds. And we should find a beat. With Playboi Carti's beats, he has beats in the major scale. So there's happier sounding beats, up tempo, upbeat, more in like 140, 150 BPM. I think. But no, they are happy scales, and they're more up tempo, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay. And they're also very simple beats. They're not really like complex. So I'm just gonna keep it like this. Now let's look for a sound to complement that. Yeah, let's turn this up. I don't know why it's so low. I like this sound, but I have to EQ it immediately. Very simple. Alright. Add an arp to it, spice it up. Where is gross beat? There we go. Alright, add some reverb, arena. This arpeggio needs to be faster. No. EQ that a little bit. Alright, omnisphere time. We're gonna add some omnisphere to this. If it would load. I'm gonna turn off Doom 2 real quick because Doom 2 is pissing me off. To all bells. Bring this. Okay, no. Right. This now sounds like a Rugrats soundtrack. And flanging. And we gotta turn this up. Okay. Alright, so now that we're done with this melody, I'm gonna add some drums now. Okay, I'm gonna obviously use this 808 because, you know, it's the only 808 that everyone uses. Not true. Oops. And oh, I forgot to turn off the BPM. Turn it up. I gotta turn it up. need to Alright, I'm gonna copy this melody and change the sound because I don't really like that sound at all. Let's bring this. Ooh, we gotta EQ this, turn it down. Alright, now I'm gonna add a flute. I don't know if a flute would be a good idea, but I'm gonna try it anyway because it was. I just want to try it out. Flute. Oh no. And don't worry, I know the flute sounds like crap right now. I know. I'm going to EQ it. Alright? Chill out. I'm just playing. Okay. Don't worry, now I just gotta add some reverb and then gross beat it. Bit much delay. I mean decay. And I'm gonna add slow half speed to that. Alright, so there you have it. There's my Playboi Carti type beat, or die-lit type beat, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget, share this with your friends. Show them the heat, man. Show them the heat we've been creating, man. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Make sure you turn on post notifications. We got videos coming out every single day. Every single weekday, actually. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. We're just getting started. Almost at 1K. Alright, we're gonna get to 1K. Alright, so stay tuned. All right, I got more beats on the way, more videos on the way, more bangers on the way, and I hope you guys have a nice day. All right, take care. I'm gonna see y'all later, and peace.